To commemorate the 50th anniversary of Bangladesh liberation, Meghalaya Frontier Border Security Force, jointly with Bangladesh counterpart, will organize joint cultural program on 13th of December 2021 at Integrated Checkpost Dauki. Informing this, Inspector General Meghalaya Frontier Border Security Force Indrajit Singh Rana said, a part of many heartfelt events, Mukti Yoddhas, historians and eminent speakers from both the countries will participate. Rana also said that this type of program is needed to exhibit goodwill gesture and manual cooperation with special emphasis on the well-being of border population of both the countries.
It is regarding joint culture program at ICP Dauki on the occasion of 50th anniversary of Bangladesh liberation. As part of celebration on the occasion of 50th anniversary of Bangladesh liberation, BSF has been organizing series of events jointly with Bangladesh on the Indo-Bangladesh border. In this connection, a joint culture program is being organized at ICP Dauki under BSF Meghalaya Frontier on 30th December 2021, in which Mukti Yoddhas, historians and eminent speakers from both the countries will participate. India's relation with Bangladesh dates back to Bangladesh Liberation War of 1971, during which India provided extensive aid, training and shelter for the exiled government of Bangladesh and Bengali nationalist Mukti Bahini guerrilla force that was fighting the Pakistan army, and about 8 to 10 million refugees poured into India during 1971. At the outbreak of the Indo-Pakistani War of 1971, the joint force, including regular army of Bangladesh, Mukti Bahini and the Indian military, liberated the then East Pakistan, leading to the establishment of Bangladesh. India's role in the independence of Bangladesh led to the development of strong bilateral relations between both the countries. The relations were further cemented with the signing of the India-Bangladesh Treaty of Friendship, Cooperation and Peace, a 25-year treaty that was signed on 19th March 1972, forging close bilateral relations between India and the newly established state of Bangladesh. The treaty was also known as the Indira Mujib Treaty, named after the signatories of the treaty. Border Security Force, though still in its infancy stage in 1971, got involved in the Bangladesh Liberation War as soon as the genocide by Pakistanis started in what was then East Pakistan. The BSF not only lived up to its mandated wartime role of being the first line of defense, but also proved its mettle in offensive operations. Before the outbreak of war, on December 3, 1971, BSF trained and coordinated operations of the Bengali guerrillas of the Mukti Bahini. Aggressive shelling of BSF Bengal's hilly border areas by the BSF 77 Battalion in April 1971 forced the Pakistanis to show flag and request for truce. Later in November 1971, the unit launched an attack and captured the enemy BOP at Khanpur. Slogans of "Long live India-Bangladesh friendship" resonated in the air when troops of the battalion entered Rajshahi in East Pakistan, forcing Pakistanis to retreat. 83 Battalion BSF fought two fire attacks by the Pakistanis at Kilapara in West Garo Hills in May 1971. Their valor denied the enemy control over strategic Dalu-Tura road. Similar acts of bravery were displayed by troops of 84, 85, 86, 87, 92, 93 and 104 battalions in Meghalaya, Silchar and Tripura sectors against the regular Pakistani army. The BSF thus played a very important role in the 1971 liberation war of Bangladesh right from the beginning and fought shoulder to shoulder with the Indian army. 23 BSF units were deployed under the army's operational control, and they displayed their mettle in both defensive and offensive actions against enemy positions independently as well as in conjunction with the army. The important role played by BSF in many other fields like collection and dissemination of accurate information, assistance to the army in familiarization of area, etc., were of vital importance for operations. India and Bangladesh shares a 4096 km long international border, the fifth longest land border in the world, which is manned by Border Security Force in India side and Border Guard Bangladesh in Bangladesh side. It is also considered to be one of the most peaceful international border, as both the countries ensured to maintain good relations, which are reflected during the various levels of flag meetings of the border guarding forces of the two nations, exhibiting goodwill gesture and mutual cooperation with special emphasis on the well-being of border populations of both the countries. BSF Meghalaya Frontier has handed over as many as 11 Bangladeshi intruders to the neighboring country during the year 2021. Both the border guarding forces also agreed to look into each other's perspective on border problems with an open mind and to increase sharing of actionable intelligence to curb trans-border crimes. The recently concluded IG's BSF Region Commanders BGB level border coordination conference held at Shillong from 27th to 29th November 2021 shows the commitment of both the border guarding forces of the two countries to maintain the sanctity of the border and sort out all border related issues at various levels of border meetings from mutual dialogue. On the occasion of 50th anniversary of Bangladesh liberation, taking ahead the relations between both the border guarding forces on 13th December 2021 at 1100 hours, a joint culture program by troopers of both the countries is being organized at ICP Doki, in which some Bangladeshi historians are also invited as eminent speakers. I formally invite esteemed media and people of the state to be our guest and witness the saga of Indo-BD friendship being written further.